The first people to drink cow milk regularly were early farmers and pastoralists in Western Europe, who were some of the first human to live with domesticated animals, including cows. This relationship with animal milk dates back thousands of years. Specifically, humans first started drinking cow's milk about 6,000 years ago. Analysis of degraded fats on unearthed potsherds shows Neolithic farmers in northern Europe were milking cattle for human consumption around 4000 BCE. It's worth noting that these early Europeans were likely lactose intolerant, as the ability for adults to digest lactose may have appeared in European humans some 4,000 years ago as the result of a genetic mutation. Therefore, these early farmers may have been processing milk, perhaps into foodstuffs such as cheese. So, while it's difficult to pinpoint the exact individual who first drank cow milk, it's clear that the practice has ancient roots in human history.